Welcome to the world of mixed fruit. Today, we're exploring the colorful and delicious realm of mixed fruit platters. A delightful way to enjoy a variety of fruits that bring both flavor and nutrition to your plate. Mixed fruit is not just a simple combination of fruits. It's a vibrant celebration of nature's bounty, showcasing the rich diversity of flavors, textures, and colors that fruits have to offer. Let's dive into each component of our fruit platter and uncover what makes them so special. First up is the classic apple. Apples are incredibly versatile and come in a range of varieties, each with its own distinct taste and texture. Whether you prefer the crisp sweetness of a Fuji apple, the tartness of a Granny Smith, or the subtle flavor of a Gala apple, each one brings something unique to the table. Apples are packed with dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports digestive health. They also contain vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin. An apple a day truly can help keep the doctor away. Next, let's talk about mangoes. Often referred to as the king of fruits. Mangoes are not only deliciously sweet and juicy, but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Mangoes also contain a variety of antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Their tropical flavor adds a touch of exotic sweetness to our fruit mix, making each bite a taste of paradise. Moving on to strawberries, these bright red berries are a true favorite for many. Strawberries are known for their juicy, tangy sweetness and are an excellent source of vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. They have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, enhanced immune function, and reduced inflammation. Strawberries also contain folate and potassium, which contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Their vibrant color and delicious taste make them a standout addition to any fruit platter. Pineapple is another tropical gem that deserves a spot on our fruit mix. Pineapples offer a perfect balance of sweetness and tartness. Pineapple's juicy, texture and tangy taste provide, making it a key component of our mixed fruit platter. Next up are blueberries, small but mighty. Blueberries are renowned for their high antioxidant content, which helps protect the body from free radical damage and supports overall health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content and healthy tips. Thank you for joining us on this fruity adventure. See you in the next video.